Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 5th of September 2022. Before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was Flexible Volume Profile Indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's for the contest. Let's now check out the trading ideas. The first one is on the S&P 500 index. What we are looking at is the futures for this index, which is called the ES. You are looking at the 30-minute chart, and what is important in here in this immediate area on the ES is this strong selling activity. This strong selling activity shows strength and determination of sellers who are pushing and manipulating the price to go downwards. Now, there is an important zone in here, important heavy volume zone, and it is important because it took place before this strong sell-off started. As you can see, there were massive volumes accumulated here before the sell-off started, and this is telling us that this is the place where sellers were getting ready for this move. So in here they were building up their short positions, and then they manipulated the market to go downwards. So this is an important zone because they placed a lot of their shorts there, and that heavy volume zone begins in here at 40.04. So when there is a pullback at some point in the future, then I'll expect a reaction because the strong institutional sellers from this place will want to defend this zone and to push the price downwards from there again, right? This zone is important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there, right? And also we can see that they are very strong because of this strong sell-off, right? So yeah, that's the short from 40.04, a strong day trading resistance. Now let me switch over to another trading idea, and the next one will be on the Euro British Pound. So this is the Euro British Pound. You're looking at 30-minute chart, and in here what I want to talk about are two supports. First one at 0.8592, the second one at 85.42. Both those supports are based on a strong trend, this trend, and on significant volumes which got traded within this trend. Now let me use my flexible volume profile indicator over this uptrend, and as you can see it shows significant volume zones within this uptrend. The first significant volume zone is this one. The second one is right there. Those heavy volume zones represent places where strong buyers who are pushing the price upwards were adding to their long positions. And for that reason, those zones are important, right? Because strong buyers were active there, and strong buyers have placed a lot of their longs there. For those reasons, those areas should be defended when there are pullbacks to those areas. So when there's a pullback to the first area, then I'll expect a reaction from there. And then if there's a pullback to the second heavy volume zone, then I'll expect another reaction from there. In both cases, it should be those and those strong buyers defending their longs, reacting at those heavy volume zones, and pushing the price upwards from those heavy volume zones. Alright, this is a setup which I call the trend setup. I trade it when there's a trend, for example, like in here. I look for significant volume zones and I trade from those volume zones like this. Alright, so that's the trend setup on the Euro British Pound. And let me now switch over to another chart. Let me switch over to Euro New Zealand dollar. So this is a 30-minute chart of the Euro New Zealand dollar, and in here I also want to talk about a trend setup. In this case, I'm going to be talking about this trend, this buying activity, and about significant volume cluster which got formed within this uptrend. This is the volume cluster, and it is telling us that in here buyers were building up their long positions as they were pushing the price upwards. They were adding to the long positions in here, and for that reason this zone is important for them, right? So when there's a pullback to the beginning of that heavy volume zone, which is at 1.6125, I'll expect a reaction from there, right? Reaction from those buyers defending the longs which they placed in here. So those buyers should push the price upwards from there. Now, it is not only the volume cluster within the trend why I like this level, but also, as you can see, this zone worked as a strong resistance in the past because the price bounced off that in here, right? So it worked as a resistance, and now when the price blew past that resistance, it became a support, right? So that's another reason why the price should react there, right? The first reason is the volume cluster. The second reason is that it worked as a resistance, which turned into a support, right? By the way, there were also nice reactions to heavy volume zones recently. A trend setup in here. There was a volume cluster in here within this uptrend. Then there was a pullback to that volume cluster and a reaction from there. And also, right there, this volume cluster at the beginning of that strong buying activity. You can also look at it like this. Again, heavy volumes, right? Before this strong buying activity. Let me delete all that. And just now, nice reaction to it. Alright, so as you can see, Euro New Zealand dollar is nicely reacting to those heavy volume zones. Those I showed you are already tested, so this volume cluster and this volume cluster, they are already tested. The price already reacted to them, so they're already tested. But this one is not tested yet. The price hasn't reached this zone yet, so it is still good to trade. So what we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and take it from there. Alright, so that's about that, and that's about the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. If you guys are interested in learning more about trading with volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, and then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it, trader-dale.com, and what you want to do is click this yellow button which says trading course and tools. So let me click that, scroll down a bit, and what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is a recommended training pack in which I'll teach you how to trade with volume profile. There's a video which you can watch, and in the video you can learn everything that's included in the Elite Pack. Just in short, it includes video course, which is a 15-hour-long video course on volume profile trading. Then there's my personal trading levels. Those are day trading levels as well as swing trading levels, and you'll be getting those every day, twice every day actually. Then there's a volume profile pack, which is a pack of my custom-made volume profile indicators, and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, there's also free tech support for Elite and Oriflow Pack members. And what that means is that our tech support will connect to your computer, set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all the indicators, all workspaces. They'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it completely for free, as that's the part of the service that we provide to the Elite Pack members. Alright, so that's about it. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. And until then, happy trading!